Information X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I have Ipsy, and I got this like a week ago or something, and we're posting.
We just haven't filmed it.
Extremely late. Yeah, we just, I swear, with work and everything, we just get so sidetracked. Hopefully there's nothing in there. Just throw that between my legs there. It's got some little, if you guys haven't already watched these videos by anybody else, it's got some little people on there. And I know I picked one of my own items this time. I don't remember what it was. I always forget. But it comes with this card. It says, sorry, Kim, stronger together. Like Sharon Dion, a real lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Like me and my sister. Haha. 20s for the Winnie. And then there's just the items, I'm sure, on the inside. If Kim wants to look at that real quick. Let's see. I don't know what I would have picked. This first thing is Resurfacing Sleep Mask by Coco Kind. Overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. This I know I would wear because I do wear some sleep masks. So if it can stay on all night, I mean, I have quite a few.
And the full size of that would be $22, but I guess this is a deluxe sample.
And this is 1999's Precision Color Pencil.
Full size.
Lustro.
$26, and I think that's the one you received.
Is this the eyeliner? I mean,
this is a.
It looks like, I don't know if that's
It
a color.
says more than just line your eyes.
Okay.
Creamy blendable formula can be used on all skin tones to create a soft highlight on your cheekbones, inner corners, brow bones, cupid's bow, and the bridge of your nose.
I'll probably put it in a giveaway, but I mean, I don't, yeah, where my eye makeup much. I wear like what I'm wearing today, if anything, to work because of my eye condition. So it might go in a giveaway, but I don't want to open it just because of that. And then I've got Lottie's Slay All Day.
And that's a deluxe sample, but it says the full size would be $6.49, and it's in the shade, I guess, so good.
Yeah, it's just like I just saw that. This is looks like liquid, and if it's like liquid, I usually wear liquid. Those are like the only kinds I tend to wear nowadays.
It is a liquid lipstick.
And then it's Hanalei, am I saying that right? Aloe
face cleanser.
A cleanser. Gosh, I don't know which thing I picked. I really
don't know.
That's
a deluxe sample. The full size would be $24.
But yeah, cleansers I use, so yay. And then this last thing, Eco Fabulous Clean Beauty Blush.
And Camellia.
Dang it, I do like blushes, kind of, like.
And that's a deluxe sample. Full size would be $22.
Does it say anything about whether it's like a gel one, though, or? I'm trying to think. Made with, it says the Goodies Organic jojoba oil, organic rosemary oil.
I don't think it's a cream. Is that what you're saying? I don't think it is, but.
I'll just open it. Well, can I open it?
Because.
Oh, okay. Because I don't know, like, I mean, it's like peachish color. I guess I can go ahead and keep it. I just,
a peachy pink shimmer blush.
It's kind of like, yeah, very shimmery. Gosh, it's just not very, well, you can kind of see it. I feel like it's not as pigmented as you'd want. I'm like, it's kind of coming off as like crummies. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like on my white pale skin. That's what it looks like. And then it has, it's got like its little thing inside there. I don't know if it pulls out, or I don't know why it has like the little dip in there. I probably will find out someday. But that's what it looks like on the outside. But I'm going to use it. I'll give it a try. I'm just wearing blush already. Otherwise, I put it on my cheeks. But this video was fast enough for you. As always, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like our little giveaway we'll have down below that's currently going on, which will be ending sometime in late April. We'll post that on Instagram. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.